What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the OBD2 cover on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. All right, first I want to take this push pin out right here. You can use the trim tool and just slide the center part out. If you have a trim tool like this, or even one like this, generally you can get that center piece out. Then once it's out a little bit, then pop the clip out completely. There we go, pull that off. And there's a little retainer right here. You just twist it 90 degrees, like that. You should be able to pop this out. Just like that. Then you have 3 screws right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Pull that out. Then there's a couple clips that hold this in right here. Just slide those down. Slide this out. Now we can disconnect the speaker right here. Grab the connector, slide it right out. And then the light on the back here. Grab this connector, slide that off, and then this OBD2 connector on the front of it, you're gonna pop this down, the cover, and then there's a lock right here. Slide the lock back, and then from the front, push on the connector and pop it right out. I can slide the kick panel out. To take this OBD2 cover off, I'm just going to take a pocket screwdriver and just pry right here and right here. Release these clips while I'm pulling it from the other side. And same on this side. Right there, right there. And slide it right out. To reinstall this, keep in mind there is a tab that you're going to have to line up with that slot. So from the other side, just line this up like this, lock it in place. All right, well, I'll take the kick panel, slide it over the brake pedal area right there. Before I slide it all the way in, we want to connect these connectors. I'm going to connect the speaker connector first, right here. Just line that up. Then this light. The light in the back, there is a tab. The tab you want facing towards the inside of the car. It's kind of hard to get this in because you can't really see what you're doing. Just slide that in position, lock it in place. And then with the OBD2 connector, I'm going to make sure I have this cover open. And take the connector with that lock unlocked, slide that in position, lock that down, and lock the lock down. Then you can close the cover on the front. We're ready to slide this in. Get this all lined up. You can lock these in right here, just like that. I'm going to take the screws, just get the screws started first, just so everything's lined up. I'm not going to tighten them down all the way yet. Oops. Get that lined up. And same with this one. With those in there, then we can take this retainer, and you're going to start with this retainer sideways like this. Press it in and then twist it 90 degrees, and that'll keep that secure. And then take the push pin, line the push pin up just like that, and then push in the center. That's secure. Now we can tighten up the screws. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and just tighten these up. Just snug. It is plastic, so.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, Check out oneauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.